Hello students, so today we'll discuss the poem Rain on the Roof. So you can, from the title also, you can figure out that the poem would be about the rain. The poet is telling us about the memories he has of the rain. The sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house brings back sweet memories of the past. Stanza 1, the poet is saying that when the humid shadows hover means is here it refers to the humid shadows, refers to the dark clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain, when such clouds hover around in the sky over all the starry spheres. Starry spheres refers to the sky at night time, which is full of the stars. At that time the huge cloud which are full of the moisture have moved around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seems like tears falling from the sky. The poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and raindrops, the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like the cottage chamber means bedroom, and listen to the sound made by the raindrops falling on the roof. So in the next paragraph the poet is expressing his feelings when he heard the raindrop falling on the rooftop of the house. He says that every tinkle of the shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound beats in his heart and his dreams. He has many different fanciful imaginations. He adds that the sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into the mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in the mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of the dreams. So that's it for now. In my next explanation, in an explanatory video, I'll explain you the other stanza of the poem.